Car crash here. Going to take a quick look at the CNC engraving machine. It really didn't come much with software, not at all really. It's loaded as far as the machine itself, but as far as software to make stuff, it really does not. And also I'm doing this video for the writer of Garble Groove. He's going to see if he can get this machine working with that software. So here's some of the specs. Take a quick look at the machine for him, and we'll get on to some of the projects I've got completed. It's too dark in here. Anyway, that ought to give you an idea what it is and the company name there on the front of that. Anyway, to get started and just have some fun with it, that's been real simple and I've learned a lot with, is easel. Seems to work fine. Hook it up as a X-carve, and this is some of the things I've done on plastic. Homie, poo, and I don't know if you can see that. It comes with iPhone, so it does come with one thing you can engrave right away, and that's the iPhone. And then I did mess with some three-dimensional or two-dimensional, whatever you call it. Anyway, go and get this easel, and it helps you walk through about every step. And then let's see, where's machine at? You go over here to machine. Come on, focus. And you can just pick X-carve and put in the size of the bed, change that. Then I've been running the motor at 1,000, and if you guys know what this thing should be running at, from what I've seen on the internet, I think up to 9,000, but don't quote me on that. But I've just been running at 1,000, letting the brushes break in. Anyway, that will get you going, and then just exit out of that. If you try and go into this, it won't work. And then if it won't hook up, you got to go down to this advance. And no, this is the low G code. Well, here's the low G code. I'm still kind of figuring this out. There's a way to go into your to manually hook your COM port up. Google it. That's how I found it. But it didn't want to hook up because you'll want this. This will be green if it's hooking up to your machine. And I didn't upgrade the software on the machine. This is running on the 09 or 0.9. And then just go through your materials, and then this is where you want to change your speed, and this is what I'm running right now. It's 200 on the feed and 100 on the plunge, and I was cutting real shallow, 0.2. And there's a lot of online help on this program. I've just been running it just today. But anyway, at least I got it going and started importing homies and import. This one is in the software, which there's an icon tab right about right here. And I'll get back to my good camera as soon as my Apple computer starts working again. I gotta get it fixed, so I'm sorry I'm killing you with the iPhone here. Let's see, what else can I tell you about it. And then you put in your material dimensions right in here. And I tell you what, it walks you through each step, and if you're doing something wrong, it'll let you know. But anyway, I'll have some other videos coming out. I just wanted to get this one up so he can help us get his software going, because it looks a lot more complex, but actually usable compared to some of the other stuff. Some of it's just crazy, all the settings they have. I've been running 3D printers for 5 years at least, and I didn't think this would be a big deal, but it's a whole different ball game. So anyway, like, subscribe, share that video. Carrot Crash out.